Hello everyone, welcome to the EBSCOhost tutorial. I'm your host, Felicity Haney. This is for Info 5845. Today's objective will be to use the EBSCOhost database to search for ebooks in the children's and young adults category while using a refined search. Our audience today is middle school teachers, possibly upper elementary, I'd say 5th grade, but probably no younger. Our first step is to go to EBSCOhost. This is what the website will look like when you pull it up. I took a screenshot of the screen. Then you will click ebooks on the top left of your screen up here. This will take you to the ebook collection, which is when we come up to step 3. You're going to click children's and young adult fiction. If you were choosing another category, those would be listed here. The EBSCOhost ebooks website also has highlights, featured books. You can search by book or journal, keywords. But today we are just going to click on children's and young adult fiction. Step 4, you can see that we are in children's and young adult fiction, and you can find refined results on the left side of your screen. In this section, you can find the publication years, Lexile levels, subjects, and other refined search tools. So for this tutorial, we are going to change the publication year from 2014 to 2024. Now you are going to select a Lexile range. For this tutorial, we are going to select the 501 to 850 Lexile range. Now you can see at step 7, your results have gone down drastically from 672 ebooks to 13 based on our refined search tools. Now, if you're doing this search on your own and you decide that these titles are not fitting into your preferences or what you were looking for, you can go back and adjust the publication year or even use a different refined search tool, such as the subject or the publisher. And thank you for listening.